Alright guys, in this video we're going to be pulling the transmission apart and figuring out why it won't shift. After disassembly, like a week or two later, I was out here looking at the transmission, fiddling with it, and I fixed it. This gate for first and second gear was stuck back here, and this couldn't move over to engage first or second, and I guess it binded up everything. I noticed that this was like too far forward, and these didn't line up to let this shift or this go back and forth. So what I did is I got a brass punch. Looks like it's gotten a little warm, but I got a brass punch and I hit it right there, and I knocked it all back straight, and now everything moves freely. So I'm going to get this thing back together, buy a new one of these, and we're all set. Now that was like a 5-minute fix. It's so funny. I wasn't even working on this, I just walked over here. But catch you in the next clip. Well, here's the transmission all back together, guys. Thought I'd show you guys me shifting it. So it goes, bear with me here. It's on the ground. I'm trying to hold it. So it goes through neutral. You can see back and forth. Oh, there's my knee on it. There's neutral, and then first, second, third, fourth, oh, and then fifth, and then, oh, we gotta go back neutral, and then reverse. Yep, there it is. I got a new shift knob on there. It's slipping off. I didn't stick it on there permanently yet, but I'm happy. I'm gonna get to cleaning it up, and then I am going to take this sensor off and see what I gotta do about that, but I'm really happy right now. All right, I cracked this bolt loose, or this sensor. Pretty sure it's a neutral switch. And the wire came off as I was doing it. Isn't that just great? All right, made it over the workbench. Got the broken wire off here, and here is what's left of the sensor. Yeah, someone got a little go-lucky with the sealer on there. But I'm definitely going to need to pick up a used one or a new one of these. I don't think there's enough metal there to get some wire up. Yeah, see it? I don't think I can get that connected back without anything. But yeah. Oh, just dropped it, but I'll get back whenever I have a new one. Well, about 5 days later, 5 days later and $15 spent, I got a new one. Let's install it. Also, check out the master cylinder I'm gonna put in. All right, everything matches up. Got it hand tightened in, and Let me adjust my crescent wrench here. That's probably tight enough right there. Boom. Let me get this taken off. Got our new sensor ready to install. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for part 7. Transmission's going back in the truck.